back to the race, everybody. Okay, people. We're back. We're back again once again. Once again, everybody. Just like what I said, so far so good. We've already done the easy races, and then to the medium races, and now you know what time is it? That's right, people. It's time for the hard races. And I manifested the hard racer that will be so cool. So let's begin. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention. Did you know we've already done the first two hard races already? So yeah, we'll just continue with the third, fourth, and so on. Right now. So let's not waste any time and let's get going. Excuse me. Good day, everybody. How was the break?
Oh yeah, I'm back. At least I was able to eat something.
Yeah, we're in the fortress. Let's get to the fortress and kill some people. Wahahaha. That's the spirit. Let's get it on. 3, 2, 1. Let's hit the road. After a break, I've already played two races so far, and now it's time to go back and start here at Bowser's Castle. Wahahaha! Wahaha! Alright, let's get going. Hard races, here we come. Jesus Christ, what the? Get me out of here, because I'm on a roll, niggas. Wahahaha! This way. Fly high, soar high. This way. Oh, shoot! Fuck! Oh, come on, this is ridiculous. No, what the ow? Natasha, what the heck? I'm really gonna get you, man. I swear, because you're just a nonsense nobody. But I don't care if you're really a fast racer or not. You're just so stupid. Ouch. What in the fucking name of God? Trump, you asshole! Why do you have to cross the finish line first? Nah, never mind. Why do I have to curse? Because Trump is not a fast racer. Unless he were one last week. Hey, get that Trump! Oh, thank goodness I went astray. If it weren't thanks to that Trump would... Son of a bitch! Donald Trump, you fucking asshole! There's no way I'm gonna prove to you that you're gonna win. You're gonna lose, and I prove that because you proved to the Christianity that you're a false prophet! Whoa, what the... Yes! Nice one, Jared! I like the way how you got hit, bitch! You fucking asshole! Or there's no way that you're gonna maneuver it. Get through it, you madness! Wahahaha! I'm really gonna get you now, losers! Wahahaha! Thanks! Whoa, what the fuck? At least I'm on my way! Stop me! Thank you! Jesus Christ, where the fuck is that? Run, you son of a bitch! Oh, thank goodness, there's Respect. Yo, Alan Wu, you freaking asshole! How many times I have to tell you, get out of my sight? Or there's no any other specific way that you're gonna cross the fucking finish line, dummy. Wahahaha! Ouch! Bitch! Yeah, asshole! Take that, no matter how hard or how freaking hell you get. What is it more that you guys made so stupid that there's no way that you're going to freaking win? Hey, what the heck? Jesus Christ, what? I'm really gonna get you now, I swear. Don't you deserve it? Asshole. What the fuck, Mom Lyra? Ouch. Long thing I still got defense mechanism, and I'm not afraid to use it. Where will I go? To the left. Wahaha. And to the center. Wahaha. Nice, at least I... Bullshit. I hate that Giselle Lopez, or that Rabia Mateo, or that Angel Guard, or that Asti Ortega, or Isabel Ortega. That son of a bitch, that daughter. That Igamo. At least I'm already getting farther. No, get the freak out of here. Wahahaha! Somebody stop me! Thank you. I really need this for safety precautions so that I don't over-race myself. So yeah, we're over speed as they say. Come on, we're running late. We can be late because I'm for the win! Whoa, what was that? And my fast racers are still the same. But yet once again, thank the Lord that the winner is still me. Bwahahaha! Bwahahaha! That's so spontaneous. And with that, I better drink soft drinks. Yeah, that's one way to cure myself. Yummy and very refreshing. So, just what I said a while ago, dapat kanina we should be starting at 21 and 22. However, I skipped that part because look, do we see Peach and Daisy in the race? They're not here. So therefore, I just skipped that and just went directly to Bowser's Castle. So we can already finish the race right in time. And just what I said, in the hard races, you still get a supplementary bonus of 2 more races right after you're done playing. So do I remember we're now here at map number 23. So after that, we will go to Rainbow Roll, the DK Mountain, Grumble Volcano, and so on. You know the rest. Hanggang matatapos yung race. Yay! Wahey! That was the best race ever! At least I was able to race for the finish line! Hooray! That was so cool. Hey, Raph, how was the break? What did you eat? Well, this is what I have for the break. Remember I opened this a while ago?
Yummy. Yummy chips.
Well, you're in luck because I can give you one right now. I'll give you the whole.
Yay!
I'm good. I don't need to eat anymore.
Goodbye. Yay! They have some of those chips. They look pretty good.
Yup, they're called crisscross. Crisscross potato goodness. I got last time the... Oh yeah, I forgot to mention din pala, this is crisscross fries. Diba remember, this is the trend that you see in Filipino ads. It's really the trend. As you can see, this is their sour cream flavor. So ito ba yung sour cream nila?
Yay! I think I want to eat. Yummy.
Although it's not really like french fries, but it tastes good anyway. Yeah, as you can see, I also have, a potato chip from Piatos.
Yay! Thanks. Hey, what about me? Yummy. Thanks for the chip. It's so delicious.
Yeah, and then I forgot to mention to you pala. See the flavor here? It says here cheesy, sour cream, and onion. This is the one that I'm eating right now. Cheesy like this. It's this guy. And you can taste lots of sour cream as you eat this. The one I got before, guys, was this. Cheese flavor. It's still the same. They are green. It's orange. Green and orange. But this orange one is creamy cheese. But I already have enough. On to the next race, everybody. Let's go! Oh, syempre, kung nandito na kayo, dito na kayo sa susunod na laro.
Yeah! I'm very excited for the next race. And this is very exciting. Pew!
Tara na, gusto mo mag-Rainbow Rumble? Eh, dito na kayo sa Rainbow Rumble! Pew! Ra-ra-ra Rainbow! Ra-ra-ra Rumble! Ra-ra-ra Rumble! Winners cross expense! Ra-ra-ra-ra Rainbow Rumble! Ra-ra-ra-ra Rainbow Rumble! Wow! Wow! Rainbow Rumble! Ito yung bagong panalabas ni Kuya Luis Manzano. Panoorin mo yan. Pero anong oras? Siyempre, Kuya Lu. Panoorin mo yan tuwing linggo, Sabado at Linggo, 7:15 PM. Bago mag Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11 sa pinakamahusay at makulay na game show. O, siyempre naman, ito na. Punta na tayo dyan sa Rainbow Roll, ha? Yeah, what are you guys doing here? You're supposed to be choosing the next race, yo. Yeah, I know. Tara na, mga kapamilya, ka A to Z. Tara na, dito na kayo sa Rainbow Rumble! And in this race, ito na. Diba? Normally, magkaroon tayo. Pero habang nag-race, magtanong ako at masagutin ko yan. Like halimbawa, kung magtatanong ako, ano yung pinakamabilis na motor dito sa Mario Kart Wii? The Nitro Cycle. Nitro Cycle is correct! You have to answer every question during the gameplay. At yun yung mechanics ng Rainbow Rumble. Diba? Mag-Rainbow Roll tayo kami. Ngayon talaga nandito na ako, mag-Rainbow Rumble na lang tayo. Yeah, I know normally dapat we're supposed to play accurate English here, but today let's make it a Rainbow Day. Because today, since we're playing Rainbow Rumble with Kuya Luis and with my two friends, Ate Negi at Ate Chrissy, or Ate Osang, or Ate Lassie, turn na next time, dalhin ko na yung mga tao sa I Can See Your Voice. Lalasin ko yung Bayani, Kuya Lassie, Kuya MC, at manonood sila. Tapos, magtatanong ako, at hulaan mo yung tamang sagot sa mga katanungan ko. That's right! And remember, just what I said, if you get the question correctly, you get to roll the die on the die rolling machine. At meron pa tayo, kulay of the guest win promo. Kung magkuha mo yung tamang kulay, yung mananalo ka ng 50,000 pesos. At yung panalo dito sa jackpot ay pwede bang manalo ng 1 million pesos! Yay! Let's play the Rainbow Rumble! That's right, everybody. It's time to play Rainbow Roll. O sige, Negi, start the question. Right you are. Let's go. Three, two, one. First question. Oh, Rafi, what is the capital city of Australia? The capital city of Australia is Sydney. Wrong. Bakit? Bakit hindi Australia? Ang capital city of Australia ay Brisbane. Uy, Brisbane? Bakit naging Brisbane yan? I thought Brisbane was just a city. Siyempre naman, Rafi. Uy, gago, ano yan? Muntik na ako mahulog. Sige, no! Fuck! Next question, Rafi. Ano yung tawag sa tao na palagi nagtumakbo at hindi tayo magpipigil? Ano daw? Di running man. Uy, gago! Ano ba kinahulog naman? O tawag sa next question. Ang susunod na question ko, ang tawag sa gaya at palagi mahuhulog na walang kwenta at walang tigil. Ano daw? Di si Hulog Master. Uy, grabe naman ko ito. Grabe naman yung tanong. Naging malaki na Rafi. Ito yung bawang tanong ko. Anong tawag sa Mario na malaki siya? Mega Mushroom? Go! Ang tawag dyan ay sina Mega Smasher! Wahahahaha! Next question. Anong tawag sa shell na lumipad? The flying shell? Wrong. Ang tawag doon ay blue shell. Wow, grabe naman Kuya Luis. Parang alam mo yung game ko Siyempre naman. Next question Kuya Lu. Ito yung bagong tanong ko. What is the sum of 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5? 8. Correct! Abante! Next question. Ano yung paboritong kanta ni Kuya Bayani? Ate Bayani? Jumbo Hotdog? Wrong! Ang tamang sagot dyan ay Ocho Ocho! Ocho Ocho! Ocho Ocho! Wait, next question. Oh my God! Uy, gago! Bakit pumunta ako dito? Ikaw na nag-discard yan, no? Ano yan? What the? Uy, ganda nga! Buti nga may pader! Next question, Rafi. Sinong artista sa Philippine National Artist ay tinatawag na Doggy Lion? Si Jose Rizal? Wrong! Ang tamang sagot dyan ay sina Jose Garcia Villa. Kaya pala. Okay, next question. Anong tawag sa organisasyon kung saan mag-deposit at mag-withdraw ng pera? The bank? Wrong! It's called BPI. But there are lots of banks. There's not only BPI where you can withdraw and deposit money. Siyempre naman, meron tayong iba. May World Bank, may Deposit Bank, may Philippine Trade Industry. Grabe naman Kuya Lu. Next question. Anong tawag sa planet na pinakamalayo sa araw? I know! It's Pluto! Wrong! Wala na si Pluto Di ba hindi siya naka-planet? Di ano? Oh my God! Di ano naman? Neptune! Uy, grabe naman! May kidlat! O syempre naman, makuha na ko ng salita. Anong tawag sa kidlat na malas? Bad Thunder? Wrong. Sing across the... Oy, Kuya Luis! Tapos na ako! Huwag ka na magtanong! Tapos na ako! Wow! Would you look at those fast racers now, Kuya Luis? Uy! Grabe naman, Kuya Luis! Last place? Tingnan mo, oh. Last place talaga si Kuya Luis. Grabe naman. Bill! At hindi pa ka ba tapos sa sagot ko? Sa tanong ko. Ang sabi ko, anong tawag sa lightning na tinatawag na malas? A shrinking lightning that happened to be a while ago? Bill! Wrong! Ang tamang sagot dyan ay... Negi, pakisabi mo na yung tamang sagot. Oo, Kuya Lu. Ang tamang sagot dyan ay... Friday the 13th na like the kidlat. We, bakit meron galing kaya? Eh, syempre naman, di ba Friday 13th ay last week? Ngayon ay 23. 10 araw ay makalipas na. Sige, Negi, tuloy mo yung next question. Rafi. Yes, Ate Negs. Anong tawag sa tao na maraming girlfriend o maraming jowa? Yes, Rafi. Shota. Wrong! Uy, grabe naman, Kuya Luis. Ano may ginawa mo? Anong tamang sagot? Ano, marami kang mga jowa? Parang sa tingin mo, marami kang mga jowa, no? Sure, pero naman, wala akong jowa, pero marami kang mga jowa dito sa buhay ko. Eh, di jowa mo si Ate Negi. Uy, grabe naman, Kuya Lu, wag! Oh, Ate Negs, mahal mo na si Rafi, wag! Oh, come here, Rafi. Mas mahal po talaga ako. Wag! Grabe naman, Kuya Lu. Oh, Kuya Lu, dali mo si Rafi dito. Gusto ko i-kiss ko siya. Yak! Putay nga mo! So, Rafi, ayoko talaga magyakap si Ate Negi. Oh, yakap! Sige, Ate Negi, yakap mo! Oh, come here, Rafi. Wag! Grabe ka naman, Ate Negi. Ha! I-picture na namin, tapos sinigay sa Facebook. Oh, pwede mo i-selfie. Pati ako din! Uy, grabe! Wag! Please, wag! Tama na! Grabe naman, Kuya Luis. Anong klaseng laro to? Siyempre naman, ito talagtawag ang Rainbow Rumble. Pero, Rafi, hindi ka ba tapos talaga sa sagot ko? Ang tanong ko sa'yo ay, anong tawag sa tao na marami siyang jowa? Ang tamang sagot dyan ay, chick boy. Huy, gago, hindi ka naisip to! Wah! That's right! A chick boy is a person who loves so many girls. At hindi ako yun, si Rafi yun. Wah! Oh, hi, Ben. Putakin mo, wala akong pake sa'yo, gawa. Uy, Ben, may tanong ako sa'yo. Hoy, anong kinain mo during the break? Oh, ang sarap talaga yung kinain ko. Kumain ako ng shrimp pasta. Sarap. Nagtatanong ko sa hipon. Anong tawag sa hipon na naglagay sa maasim na sabaw? Seal, yes, Ben. Sinigang na hipon. Your answer is correct! That was great, Kuya Luis. And that game show was very trendy and very funny. Panoorin mo kayan. Sabihin mo sa lahat yung mga viewers mo out there. Panoorin mo yung Rainbow Rumble every weekend. Tuwing Sabado at Linggo, 7:15 PM. Baka Pinoy Big Brother Gen 11. Mas masaya to. Kung makukuha ka ng tamang sagot, makukuha na yung premyo. At magnanalo ka ng 1 million pesos! Sige nga, Kuya Luis. Sige nga, next race na tayo. Pero before that, Kuya Luis, may tanong ako sa'yo. Ano yung kinain mo during the break? O sige nga, may tanong ako sa'yo tungkol sa pagkain. Be sure to get this right. Anong tawag sa pansit na nanggaling sa Ilonggo? Pansit habhab? Correct! Yun ba yung kinain mo? Correct! Wow, suwabe naman, Kuya Lu.
Negi, anong kinain mo? Ganon. Tanungin si Rafi ng tanong. Siyempre, Rafi, ang kinain, anong tawag sa pagkain na masarap at yellow at durug-durug? Mais! Wrong! Ang tamang sagot dyan ay mashed potato. Paborito ni Negi yun. At kumain siya yan, nagpunta siya sa Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh, at naglagay ko na maraming gravy. Uy, sarap yan! Anyway, that was so much fun. It's time to move on to the next race. Aww, sayang yung Rainbow Rumble namin. Then next time, no time for that, Kuya Luis. Now it's time to move on to the 25th race of the day. And I know a special friend who can help. Mark! Oh yeah. Hey everybody, I'm back. And today, I'm gonna choose your next race. Follow me. Alright, Kuya Miguel. Tayo na lahat kayo mga runners. Dito na kayo sa gubat ko. At mag-akyat ko ng isang malaking bundok kung saan makita mo yung bulkan at maraming mga bato. Pero mag-ingat ka, huwag kayo mag-lag. Huwag maglaglag. Siyempre naman, we'll be careful. We are one running man. Let's go! 3, 2, 1. Let's go! What the heck? Yo, Kuya Derek on stereo, what the heck is this all about? What was that all about, yo? Oh, fine. I think I'll just have to be quiet for a change. Just enjoy yourself. I have a trap here. Whoa! What the fuck? Why is there a big asteroid in the house? I'm really gonna leave my shit right now. Get away from me, please. No, what the heck? Whoa, that was a close one. I nearly fell down that bridge though. But luckily I'm still safe, yo. Hey! Keep up the good work, yo. Whoa, how's that Mark doing? I hope he's doing great, yo. Hi, Mark. Let's get on. Whoa, what the fuck? Not those boulders. They're mysteriously nuts and insane. I just don't know what am I gonna do about that. Yikes! Ow! Thanks, you should have done that earlier. Just to give me a premature warning. Pero okay lang yan. Dahil dyan, I'm still safe. Anyways. Ay, no pala. Whoa, what the fuck? Robin naman! Yes! At least I crossed the finish line. Nobody's gonna cross to it. Watch this. Whoa, what the heck? Oh, man! What the hell, Kurt? I know you're just... Rance, what are you doing there? Are you trying to get the hell out of me? Or are you just trying to overtake me for some reason? Don't be ridiculously stupid. I'm really gonna go after you. Whoa! Here comes the bash! Ah, thank goodness I'm alone now. Oh my god, my trap! Oh goodness, I remember that. That's my trap, yo. Almost there. And we're just gonna cross this bridge. And voila! Yes! Whoa, that was so unexpected to see something like that. Hey, that's odd. Now I already know that Bowser Jr. is right after me. Or that Ferran, or that Bryce, or that Siren. Wow! Whoa, look at that Emil Sumangil. He's already up to something. Wow! Grabe naman si Kuya Brobs! Mubante na siya! Hanep! Yaha! That was the best race ever! Hey, Kuya Mark! What did you eat during the break? Oh yeah, if you want to hear what I've eaten during the break, I ate lots of yummy stuff. Yummy vegetable stuff. And you can even meet up with the curries. When you go to the Indian cuisine, you can eat lots of curries, and you can eat the carrots and the potatoes, and you can even eat the beans, and you can chop them into pieces and slices, and then you will go, oh, that's so yummy, that's so good. And I think I can taste the fibers here. They're really, really delectable. And if you notice, you can eat the Spanish crab or the Spanish dozen, and you will really enjoy it much more than me. Thanks, Mark Weens. This is really the best food that I've ever tasted. Oh, yeah, and you can even go to Singapore where you can eat one of their ice matcha for desserts. And that's what I ate during the break. So yummy. Hey, did you know I watched Your Amazing Race show a while ago while I was having my break? Oh, really? That's great. What episode are you now? I'm at your episode 1. So who do you think is gonna win at the Amazing Race Asia for that season? I'm not sure yet, bro. Well, take a guess. I don't know. I don't know the players. But I think I vote for the 2 Richards. Oh, really? Your favorite basketball team? Yeah, because both of them are Richards. I just hope they survive. And besides, Mark Weens, I'm from the Philippines. So therefore, I'm from the Philippines. So I'm here to support the Filipino team. Oh, really? That's great. Hope to see them being the winners, yo. Yeah, I know. Anyway, let's move on to the next race. Yeah, I forgot to tell you what I ate during the break. It was yummy. I ate lots of pancakes. Yummy, yummy pancakes. Now let's move on to the next race. Come on, everybody. I am back. Bongbong Marcos is back. And now we are going to race at my favorite racetrack. Pero, bago yan, do you know what I ate during the break? Kumain ako ng masarap na Johnny Hotdog. At meron pa, kumain ako ng isang crispy pata sa Kuya J. Ang sarap, kaya nataba-taba na ako. At meron pa, kumain pa ako sa ramen nagi. At kumain ako isang malaking bowl looking ramen na maraming sili. Kaya ang sarap talaga kumain doon. Tikman nyo niya kung kaya mo i-level mo sa ramen na yan. Wow! At kung mag-inom ka o kung mag-challenge ka kita sa isang ramen eating, noodle eating challenge, bibigyan ako ng 30 minutes sa'yo para sa kumain. At the first one to finish will win. Pero, may twist. Ang super anghang hanggang sa level 10. Kumain ako ng level 10 na ramen. Pero, di ako nasusuko. Tinapos ko lahat in one bowl. Kaya nanalo ako ng jackpot na 1 million pesos. Pero, may challenge ko sa inyo. Halika dito. Tara na kayo mga Pilipinas at sa buong mundo. Tara na. Dito na kayo sa isang Rumble Volcano. At i-challenge kita. Hamunin mo ako ha. At hamunin mo si Rafi. Kung panalo siya, that's right BBM. If anyone will catch me, they win. But if I reach the finish line first, they lose. Let's go! What the fuck? Marco Massa, you asshole! How dare you come near? I get that you come near because you are so pathetically stupid. What the heck? Yo, Chotsa! What the heck? Gago! Whoa, what the fuck? That was so close. Chotsa really got her penalty of, the red iron box. But just like what BBM said, if I were to cross the finish line, I'm gonna win 1 million pesos! Wahahahaha! Hindi ko matatawa ha. Ikaw na sana ako. Bale. Uy! Whoa, what the fuck? Dito na ako. Para mahusay talaga yung diskarte ko. Ay naku Lord, malapit ako sa finish line. Tandaan mo yan. Pero, at yan, tapos!
ako dito hanggang pumunta na ako sa finish line. Papa, uy, gago na yan! Wow, Kuya Miguel! Grabe ka naman, Kuya Miguel! Miguel! Malapit ka na sa finish line. Just follow me, okay? O, syempre, si Rocky talaga yung runner. O, Kuya Miguel, ikaw talaga mahusay, ha? Ikaw talaga kayakap. Ikaw talaga. Di mo discard sa buong mundo. Kung magpunta ka sa finish line, lagot ka sa akin. Hahaha! Lagot ka kung matalo ka sa akin. Ano ba, Kuya Mike? Ay ba akong strategy ka o hindi? Ano ba, yung strategy mo? Pa-epic. Tapos kung dyan si Bumoy Villar, mag-asar sa sa'yo yan. Oh, grabe naman. Wow! At least I'm already first now. What the heck? At least nobody's doing the challenge. What the heck is wrong with them? But I have to do my challenge, which is not to fall into the... Oh no, I was about to tell you that! Fuck! Gago! How can I win my 1 million pesos? BBM, paano na yan? O mag-team up na lang kayo. Di ba best friend mo yun si Bowser Jr.? Siyempre, best friend ko yun si Marco Masa. At meron pa yun si Ashley. Kilala mo si Ashley Sarmiento? Ang Ashko Kokol. Kung panalo, uy, grabe naman. Malapit ako sa finish line. Uy, grabe! Marami na ko eh. I better get the hell out of here. No. Almost there. I'm almost there. Just before that Miguel Diaz. In 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoa! Wah! Wah! Galing mo talaga, Ruff. Ikaw talaga yung pinaka #1 mahusay na racer dito sa bansa namin. Eh, dahil dyan, meron akong pasalubong sa inyo. Do 6 more races and then I'll be done. Give me 30 minutes. 30. Mag-inom na tayo, BBM! Tayo na, Bongbong Marcos! Anong dapat sabihin mo? I-party mo na yan! Mag-inom na tayo ng isang emperador! Sarap yun! Para sa akin to Salamat, Rafi! Siyempre naman, BBM! At dahil we're best friends, I'm racing with my best friend, whose name is Marco Masa, B. Victor, who's this? Hey, can I have some juice? Sure, we're like best friends. Sarap. Para sa ubo ko, ang sarap. Grabe naman, Rob, ginawa mo talaga yung challenge ko sa'yo. Mahusay ka talaga. Kaya naman, first place ka na naman. Eh, syempre, Marco, alam mo ba, si Ashley talaga yung jowa mo. Pero si Ashley Sarmiento ay yung jowa ko. Baby Daisy, I would never go with Rafi even though I'm big. I'm out of here. Too late for you now, Rafi. Because even though you want Ashley Sarmiento, she's mine now. Go find your own girlfriend, bitch. Whatever you say so. Oh, bro. How was the race so far? Yeah, Kuya Ken, the race was so awesome. And I hope in the next race, things will get even more crazier. How about let's get our night gear on, and I take you to the challenge where we're gonna race at Black Riders Racing Course. O, pinag ko yung Black Rider, di ba? Siyempre naman, Kuya Ruru Madrid o Kuya Luis Michael Sager o Alan Ansay. Pinod ko yun sa panlabas ng 8 PM. Ang saya talaga maging Black Rider. Pero buti nga, Ruru Madrid, buti nga nang bumalik ka sa Running Man. O, syempre naman, bro. Mas masalamat ka nung dumating ka sa Running Man. Akala ko kasi you'll be gone forever. Yun pala, what an emotional comeback. Nabalik ka sa military race. Give it up for Rurum. Namiss na kita. Kahit na nasa Black Rider ka. Syempre naman, Kuya Mick. Kahit nasa Black Rider ako, parang inisip ko, mag-iyak na ako kasi alone na ako sa Black Rider. Parang habang nagumawa ko ng RMPH na challenge, parang feeling ko na miss na kita lahat. Parang feeling ko gusto ko bumalik para sa iyo. Eh, syempre naman, Ruru. Bumalik ka sa Running Man. And, wah! Ako yung panalo. Si Boy ka ba na yung panalo? Uy! Tapos ako din! Uy, panalo! Yeah! Let's give way for Ruru Madrid! Yay!
Siyempre naman, at manalo din si Lexi. We are one running man. We are one running man. Let's go, running man! Paborito ko itong yung panlabas na to. Ano sa tingin mo yung gusto mo? Running Man or Rainbow Rumble? Running Man! Rainbow Rumble! Running Man! Rainbow Rumble! Running Man! Rainbow Rumble! Ha? O syempre, guys, huwag na tayo mag-away. Next race na tayo. Kulang na tayo sa oras. Bye guys! Enjoy the race!